Have you ever heard anyone say they love being jammed in traffic? Do you? I know your answer is no, and you're definitely in the right video, because today we will talk about how Elon Musk plans to pave the roads of tomorrow by building tunnels today. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe for more of this content. For the past few decades, technology and transportation have evolved and developed, from smartphones to electric cars. However, there are still a bunch of issues surrounding the development of transportation and technology, like greenhouse gas emissions, leading to climate change and global warming. Aside from that, there is a need to revolutionize and change how we go about technology and development. We are in an age of rapid change with ever-developing technology. The 21st century truly is the digital age, and Elon Musk is one of the people at the forefront of it all, as Musk aims to change everything about how people go about transportation and revolutionize ways to travel and technology. From cars to trains to rockets, Elon Musk has many plans for the transportation industry. Currently, he and his company are creating tunnels around the United States. The Boring Company, a company founded by Elon Musk in late 2016, plans to create safe, fast-to-dig and low-cost transportation, utility and freight tunnels to solve traffic, enable rapid point-to-point transportation and transform cities. With this company and what he is doing with tunnels, Musk aims to improve the transportation industry because he realized the many problems surrounding the said industry: pollution, environmental degradation, high-cost public transport, increasing human population, and traffic. Aside from the Boring Company, he is also the co-founder of PayPal, CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. So how did Elon Musk get to this point, and what are his plans for the future? Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in South Africa, to a South African father and a Canadian mother. Musk showed a natural aptitude and talent for computers and entrepreneurship, where he created and sold a video game at the age of 12. He left South Africa because he did not want to support apartheid, and he wanted to pursue better economic opportunities in the United States. In 1997, Musk received bachelor's degrees in physics and economics. Musk wasn't a big fan of the educational system because he felt that the internet could change society rather than an after-graduation silly job. And that's when he created Zip2, a company that provided online newspapers with maps and business directories, later sold to Compaq, a computer manufacturer, for $307 million. Musk then founded X.com, which later became PayPal, an online financial services company specialized in online money transfers. In 2002, the online auction sale eBay purchased PayPal for $1.5 billion. And that's not where his ambitions found an end. Musk created and founded Space Exploration Technologies as he believed that humanity needs to become a multi-planetary species in order to survive. He created this company to make more affordable rockets and reduce spaceflight expenses by developing a fully reusable rocket. SpaceX has already launched rockets such as Falcon 1, Falcon 9, and more, all of which have different designs and purposes. Aside from being the chief executive officer of SpaceX, Musk was also the chief designer in building the Falcon rockets, Dragon and Grasshopper. As stated before, Musk became one of the major founders and chairman, later a CEO of Tesla. Currently, he is third on Forbes' real-time billionaires list with a net worth of $153.2 billion, and he is working on the loop tunnels he created with the Boring Company. The Boring Company's goal is to build tunnels to facilitate an underground transportation network. He created this company to solve the problem of traffic. As stated on the Boring Company's website, to solve traffic using tunnels, roads must go 3D because surface roads today incorporate 3D model-like elevated highways and interchanges that are expensive and disruptive to build. On the other hand, tunneling networks are 3D and allow cost-effective high-throughput transit. According to the company's website, they use and build tunnels because tunnels are weatherproof, out of sight, and won't fall on your head, as they stated that the other option would have been flying cars. Another reason why they make use of tunnels is to beautify the city. Tunnels minimize the usage of valuable space on the surface and do not interfere with existing transportation systems, allowing the repurposing of roads into community-enhancing areas. As stated in the plans of the Boring Company, tunnels also enable the Hyperloop and Hyperloop networks, which unlock high-speed regional transportation that allows access to individualized point-to-point high-speed transit. It is also much simpler and easier to extend a tunnel-based system than a surface-based one. According to the company's website, tunnels have a minimal surface impact. Constructing tunnels and operations does not create any discernible surface noise or vibration, lessening distractions and diversions. Elon Musk and the Boring Company plan to create the Loop with those tunnels. The Loop is an all-electric, zero-emissions, high-speed public transit system that transports people directly to their destination without making any stops in between. Currently, the completed projects of the Boring Company are the Las Vegas Convention Center Loop, the Hyperloop Test Track, and the R&D Tunnel. The Las Vegas Convention Center Loop is a 3-station transportation system that was built approximately in 1 year. On May 26, 2021, TBC tested the Loop system in Las Vegas. Test riders documented their whole experience riding through the Loop and shared their experience on the internet. On June 9, 2021, the LVCC Loop began operating. The Hyperloop test track in Hawthorne, California was completed in October 2016 and is a prototype to learn from the design, build process, and evaluations on how to apply automated construction techniques for future Hyperloop tracks. The R&D tunnel in Hawthorne, California was completed in December 2018 and used for testing TBC's public transportation system, the Loop and Hyperloop. As of the moment, the Vegas Loop is still under construction. TBC plans to build a massive tunnel system that runs under the whole city of Las Vegas. According to the TBC website, it will include the LVCC Loop and any future service extensions, including those to casinos along the Strip, McCarran International Airport, Allegiant Stadium, downtown Las Vegas, and eventually to Los Angeles. In the future, the Boring Company plans to expand to other cities. They also plan to create a network of transportation tunnels under LA. Besides the Loop, TBC also wants to focus on the Hyperloop. The Loop focuses on transportation within a city, whereas the Hyperloop is for transit between cities. In long-distance tunnels linking cities, Hyperloop tube trains will be used, traveling at speeds exceeding 600 miles per hour. There are talks about possible projects of the Loop and Hyperloop in Chicago. One day there may be a route that might connect New York and Washington. There are plans of using the tunnels as underground roads where autonomous electric sled platforms are lowered by elevators from the street that will carry cars or passenger transit pods. Once this is all completed, there is a statement saying that there will be vehicles leaving the station every 30 seconds and that the express loop will operate 20 hours per day. Transportation and technology are continuously developing. With Elon Musk and his plans, the Loop and Hyperloop public transportation that is currently under construction and development in the US may change the lives of Americans forever and may change the face of transportation. Elon Musk is changing the way people travel, keeping in mind the problems surrounding the industry. Musk's innovations make the world cleaner, safer, and efficient. The Boring Company and its plans are starting to take place and expand all over the United States. The tunnels, loops, and Hyperloop will certainly create an impact and hopefully solve the problem of traffic and pollution. With all these plans and projects, we can see that this will change the dynamics of transportation and make humans flirt with the idea of a futuristic utopian lifestyle. Overall, we can tell that Elon Musk is extremely creative with his approach to addressing the different problems surrounding the community and the world. He leads with a purpose and leads by example. He is moving forward with a vision and moving towards that vision with sustainable development in mind, along with his company. He's tackling problems that affect the current generations and the generations to come. Musk is certainly the change that he wishes to see in the world. We shouldn't be afraid of innovation, but instead foster it, because it will be the factor that leads to the prosperous society we desire. Like Musk, we must continuously look for ways to improve and develop. So let us know what you think of Musk's advanced projects in the comments section down below. Are you ready for the future? Give us a thumbs up, and while you're at it, click that subscribe button and bell icon for more of these videos.